Hello there! Welcome to another short lecture video. In today's video, we will be tackling about the thesis statement. Now, what is a thesis statement? In writing an essay, it is your chief guide. It is also the central idea of a multiple paragraph composition. It is a one-sentence summary that guides, controls, and unifies ideas when writing a paper. In simple terms, all the other ideas present in an essay revolve in it. Remember, the thesis statement is not the same with the topic. It is a complete sentence. Notice the following examples. Necessity of a college education. Note, this is more of a title than a thesis statement. College education is important. Note, although it is a sentence, this statement is broad and no specified points or arguments. Getting a college degree is important because it will equip a student to become a professional in his or her chosen field, and it will widen his or her perspective of the world. Note, this is an example of a more specific and an accurately written thesis statement. It has one subject, which is getting a college degree, and two arguments or main points, which are equip a student to become a professional in his or her chosen field and widen his or her perspective of the world. This is an example of a perfect thesis statement. Pattern. The pattern for making a thesis statement is subject plus arguments or claims is equals to thesis statement. Note, the subject, it is what the statement is talking about. Arguments and claims, they are the main points of the subject, and it is to be discussed in the body of an essay. Strategy in making a thesis statement. Asking a question about the topic. Example. Topic is jogging. Question: why jogging is beneficial? Thesis statement. Jogging is beneficial because it positively affects physical well-being and mental fitness. Note, for a clear understanding, the subject of the thesis statement is being italicized and the main points are being underlined. To wrap it up, a thesis statement is the chief guide in writing an essay. It should be accurate and has one subject and at least one or two arguments or main points presented. One strategy to make a thesis statement is by asking a question based on the given topic. Thank you for watching this lecture video, and I hope that you've learned something for today.